Hello and good afternoon. Thank you for joining me on a self-care series. Today we are going to be working on a honey and cinnamon lip scrub. But before we go ahead and get started on today's session, let's go over some of the materials we'll be using. This recipe is 4 ingredients. You have your coconut oil, cinnamon, brown sugar, and honey. I also have for storage a sealable container. And for mixing, I have a bowl, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, as well as a measuring cup. So let's go ahead and get started. You need a mixing bowl, and in your mixing bowl, you're going to go ahead and measure out a half a cup of brown sugar. And it's best if you use fresh brown sugar, because if you use brown sugar that's a little bit old, it's going to be hard and it's not going to be easier to work with. Use my spoon to scoop out a little bit more. Well, let's take a look. So that's roughly about a quarter of a cup. And then next you'll need your honey, and you're going to measure out, actually let's do the coconut oil first. You're going to measure out 1 tablespoon. And I'll go ahead and put the list of ingredients as well as the proportions you'll need in the description below. But then you'll add your tablespoon. And if you have coconut oil that's very hard and not easy to work with, you can always just pop it in the microwave, warm it up for a little bit. And you're going to also add 1 tablespoon of honey. And you're going to use raw honey. But you're going to go ahead and add that in as well. And last but not least, you need some cinnamon. And you're going to measure out 1 teaspoon. And once you have all of that, all of the ingredients measured out, you're going to go ahead and mix it very well. You can choose to use a spoon, a fork. You can also use a wire whisk. But you just want to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well. And what this does as a lip scrub is that the brown sugar is going to act as an exfoliant, and it's also going to get rid of the dead skin cells on your lips. The coconut oil as well as the honey is going to help moisturize and soften your lips. And last but not least, the cinnamon is going to act as a natural plumper, so it's going to make your lips a little bit more fuller. Now the results aren't immediate, but you're going to keep using this as often as you can. And once you've done mixing all the ingredients together, as I mentioned, you want an airtight container. And then just use this before you leave your house to go to work, if you're just lounging around, before you go to bed. And then when you use this exfoliant, all you have to do is just apply it to your lips. Use your fingers to rub it in. And then Once you're done, you can either lick it away because it's safe to eat, or you can also wash it away. And then all you need to do is just top it off with your favorite chapstick, and your lips will be smooth in no time. Thank you for joining me on today's session of self-care. We worked on a honey and cinnamon lip scrub. If you have any ideas for future sessions that you would like me to do, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to all of our social media pages. We have everything from Facebook to YouTube. And if you would like to subscribe to our newsletter, all you have to do is just head on over to our website, ofpl.online. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.